Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very exciting video for you guys. So as many of you guys probably know from my previous videos, I am a huge fan of Gua Sha and have been practicing this for several years now. I'm a huge fan of different types of modalities that are less invasive to the body but still give amazing results. So when Wildling Beauty reached out to me, I was so happy because I had heard so many wonderful things about the company. They were kind enough to send over their Empress Collection, which I will be showing you guys today. Wildling was also generous enough to provide a discount code for all of my followers. So just use the code IV10 for 10% off your next purchase. So this is the Empress Stone. It is a gorgeous beyond stone that is known for its many healing properties. So first off, we're going to start with a clean face, and then we're going to apply the Wildling Empress Tonic. And basically this is just a water element that we're going to apply first before we put on the oil, and this is just to help with better absorption when we apply the oil. I always like to apply this all over my face, my neck, and my chest. Wherever I'm going to be using the stone, that's where I'm going to be spritzing and applying oil later. So then I just pat it in with my fingers very gently. This entire process should be very relaxing. It should not feel stressful at all. So then we're going to follow up the tonic with the Empress Oil. And like I said earlier, I'm going to apply this wherever I'm going to be using the stone. And something that people tend to ask me is, well, how much should I use? So you want to apply an amount that's going to help the stone gently glide across the face. Not too little where it's going to cause your skin to pull, but not too much where it's going to be hard to hold the stone. You want enough to glide the stone across the skin. And let's say if you don't apply enough in the very beginning, you can always add a little bit more later on. If you feel like your skin is pulling or dragging, you can always apply more until you feel comfortable and the stone is gliding smoothly on your skin. So whenever I start Gua Sha, I always like to start in my neck, and this is actually something that is also shown on the Wildling Beauty website. They explain that it's very good to start with your neck area just to help with muscle release, lymphatic drainage, and just to open up the neck and the chest to allow all of the drainage from the face to flow down into the body later on. So I'm going to start in the back of my neck, and I'm going to move upwards towards the hairline and then kind of wiggle it at the very end. And this is just going to help with that muscle relief, the lymphatic drainage, and opening the neck area just to help with the lymphatic drainage later on. It shouldn't feel painful and it shouldn't feel stressful. On the contrary, this should be a very relaxing experience and it should feel very intuitive. So then I'm going to use this side of the stone, which is the comb edge. And once again, this is more so to help with muscle release and, relieving any tension in the area. And I love this for my traps and my shoulders since I tend to hold a lot of tension there. So if you're like me and you tend to sit in front of a desk, this is perfect for relieving that kind of tension. And something that I should mention is that you're going to hold it at a slight angle where it almost feels like the stone is flat against your skin. And it's going to be a very gentle, very smooth glide down your skin, and it should feel very relaxing and very gentle. I'm currently a nursing student, and if you are like me, you probably sit in front of the desk typing away on the computer or studying for hours. This tends to make my muscles tense because of the position that I'm sitting in, as well as the tension from the stress of the program itself. So by using the stone, it's a perfect way to help you relax. It helps relax those muscles, and it helps relieve any tension that can cause those headaches, those body aches, and it just helps you to feel truly relaxed. One of the great things about the company that I really liked was that they have so many videos on their website and on their YouTube channel that demonstrate step by step how to properly perform Gua Sha. So if at any point during my video you have any questions or concerns, you can definitely leave a comment down below, or you can also visit their website or their YouTube page for more videos and more information. Next, I'm going to work a little bit more on my neck, and as you can see here, I'm just trying to locate my sternocleidomastoid muscle. And if you're having trouble finding this muscle, just put your hand against your face and push against your hand with some resistance, and you should see the muscle pop up, and that is exactly where it is. And I like to use the U-edge on the stone to go down along that muscle, and that's just to help with lymphatic drainage since there's a lot of lymphatic activity in that area. Now when it comes to the neck, you can either glide the stone upwards or downwards. Upwards is if you're trying to focus more on lifting, and downwards is more so if you want to focus on lymphatic drainage. And one of the things that is explained on the Wildling website is that if you would like to perform both, always start off by gliding downwards first, just to help clear the chest, clear the neck area, and then go upwards so you can work on the lifting afterwards. Again, I like to use this U-edge for my chin and my jawline. I honestly really like this U-edge. Like, I like this edge a lot because I really feel like I can get into all those nooks and crannies and really get in there in like all these different angles on my face. Something else to keep in mind is that when you're performing Gua Sha on your face using the Empress Stone, it's good to use your other hand to support your skin. And Wildling Beauty refers to this as your anchoring hand. So essentially, whichever hand is free and not using the stone, you're going to use that to support your skin so that it helps prevent any pulling or any dragging, and it can be a more gentle experience. And then I switched it to this other edge of the stone just to cover even more area on my face. I then used this pointed part of the stone to really get into my masseter muscle in my jaw, which is responsible for any jaw clenching or teeth grinding. And that is something that I struggle with because I find myself clenching my jaw whenever I am stressed or when I'm studying for exams. And this is the end result. What do you guys think? So after I finish doing Gua Sha, I always like to clean my stone right away. Wildling Beauty suggests to use a gentle soap and warm water, and they even said that you can also use a toothbrush to really clean in between the comb edge. So you can use a toothbrush for that area. I simply use gentle soap and then just pat it off with a small towel and you are done. And that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoy these kinds of videos. And once again, thank you so much, Wildling Beauty, for this opportunity. And if you guys are interested in their Empress collection, definitely visit their website at wildling.com. And on their website, you can also find different collections, different stones, different gifts and sets. And you can also find so many videos and resources to help you on your Gua Sha journey. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!